Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Paper Craft with Me YouTube channel. Yesterday on my blog I showed this project. It's one of a couple that I did as alternates for the November 2019 Paper Pumpkin kit, and I took the silver stag from the kit and put it onto some card with a bit of sponging. But also in the kit was this silver cord, and I decided to make a tassel for my bookmark using that cord. And I've had a few people ask me how I made the tassel. So rather than try and explain it, I thought it'd be easiest just to show you what I did. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I've got some really thick cord. So hopefully you'll be able to see it much clearer than if I tried to show you with a nice shiny piece of thread like that. So I've got a long piece of cord. This is going to be the piece that I use to tie the tassel onto something. And I've got a few pieces of cord. These ones happen to be about 5 inches long. It really doesn't matter. It just depends on what your project is that you're doing. So I'm going to lay it over that long piece, and I'm going to tie it in a knot. And this really is just to hold everything, keep everything together while I assemble my tassel. So now I've got it in place, I'm going to hold all these tassel pieces down with my thumb, and I'm going to put a piece of white baker's twine. I chose white just so that it's easy for you to see up against the cord there. So now I've got that, I'm going to create that little loop, and I'm going to start wrapping the baker's twine really tightly around the cord. And you could use anything. I'm using baker's twine. You could make the whole thing out of baker's twine if you chose, but this is what I'm using just to show you. So I'm wrapping that really tightly around, and then I've got this is what's left of it. So now I'm going to poke that through that little hole, through that loop that I created. Now I need to hold on to that piece while I just gently tug on that. And then if I let that go and I pull that, so I'm pulling the first end, and I've just got to pull it very gently, and eventually the last end pokes out through the bottom. So now the end that was wrapped around the outside has now tucked behind and gone right in. Now I can trim that off. She says trying to do it without chopping everything else off. Ah. There we go. I can trim that off, and now there is my tassel. And then all I have to do is trim the ends, and there's my tassel. It's as simple as that. So nice and tight, and that won't unravel anymore. So there you go. Now all I need to do is to tie that and put it onto a gift. Now it's actually not very even there, but I can move it along. I can even take it out and replace it with something else. But whatever you need to do, that's how simple making your own tassel can be. Now if you'd like to see more of this project, this bookmark, or another project that I've created using a tassel, you can go to my blog. I have daily projects on there, and that's at www.papercraftwithme.com. If you'd like more videos, then do subscribe. Click on the link just below, and make sure you click on the little bell as well so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. In the meantime, thank you very much for joining me today. I do hope you'll come back again soon. And whatever you're doing today, I hope you find some crafty time for yourself. Thank you very much again for watching. Bye.